Dang. It's cold out here, guys. This is a little bit sketchy here. Alright guys, I'm walking down to the spot to fish, and oh my goodness, it's cold. It was 20 degrees in the truck on the way down here, and the water is really high right now. Not super dirty. It actually looks really fishy, but it's up a foot or two over the last week probably. So we got that push of rain, maybe pushed in some fish. My hands cannot take this for super long. They're already like bright red. Oh, I got a beef stick, and we're gonna make a few drifts, see if we can't luck into a super cold winter steelhead. Let's do it. Fish, yes. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Man, you guys, I was sleeping at the wheel on that fish. Just switched over to a solid pink jig. It's already here, so might not be too big, I don't know. Everything's freezing up. Oh, come on. Okay. I was just about to switch to my other reel with mono on it because this braid freezes up so bad in the winter time. Oh, it's coming to me. Stay pinned, buddy. It is cold out today, you guys. It was like a high of 20. Beautiful fish. First drift with this bright pink jig, and I saw the bobber kind of tick a little bit, and then I'm like, oh, guess I better set the hook. Keeps wrapping in that a little bit. Beauty of a fish. Let's see, there's my net right over there. It's right here. Oh, swam right out of it. It's got nice colors on it. Come here. Nice fish. See if I can set that there without dropping it in the river. Oh, it already popped loose. Big female. Wow. Really nice fish. Okay. Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. So cold. I'm just gonna get a quick shot of this before I let it go. My rod's about to fall in the water too. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. I'll let her go. There. Beauty of a fish. All right, we're gonna get her right back. She is cold, probably too. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. There you go, sweetie. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. My hands are so cold. Okay, so since my hands are already completely frozen from handling that fish, I walked over here earlier. Let's go see if this, yeah, it's still here. There's a really good jerk bait that's stuck in this log, I told myself there, I got it. If I had to dunk my hands, I'd come and grab it. Oh, it's still stuck in there. Even if I got it, oh my gosh, it's wrapped around like tunnel line. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut it out. Dang, check that out, guys. It's in good shape too. Ripstop 12. If you guys follow me, you know I fish these for trout all the time. That's hilarious that I just found that. It's in perfect condition too. Those are like, what, $15 or something like that. All right, I gotta go warm my hands up and make some more drifts. Well guys, everybody always makes fun of me for these crappie jigs, especially in the last video. Everybody's got to hate on them because they bend out or whatever, but look at that jig. After I caught that fish, that was 7-8 pound fish, really nice one. Still sharp, you can see, straight as a string. Worked perfect, caught a fish. Watching everybody else around, nobody catching nothing. This one got it. So say whatever you want about the crappie jig, they work. Maybe they bend out sometimes, but they catch fish. Let's see if we can get another one. All right guys, pink is coming off, and let's see what we got. I did get some beads to try from Slaying Steel. Super cool guy, puts out some really nice beads, but I don't know, I'm just not a bead fisherman, I don't think. All right, let's put on a orange Addicted Sink It jig. I'm gonna run this for maybe 8 drifts, and then we're gonna try something crazy. All right, orange didn't get it done. So when all else fails, I switch to the brightest chartreuse green that I've got. It rarely works, but it has in the past. Comment below what you guys do for your last ditch, last cast, when nothing else is working. What do you guys put on? Wow, is it cold. All right guys, that's it for me today. I've got like 3 different knots in my braid from it freezing. I don't know, it's just a mess. All my guides are frozen, and look at all the ice on those, and my fingers are frozen. So I think that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully you guys liked the video. It's been slow, I've been out a lot lately, and that's the reason I'm putting this one up, is there was just one fish, but it's better than no fish like the last couple trips. So let me know how you guys have been doing, if you've been steelhead fishing lately or whatever, and thanks for watching the video, guys.